In this session, we will learn how to test photovoltaic cell in sunlight at various angles of inclination and direction. At the end of this session, you will be able to know the best direction for solar panels to face, explain the specific information on installation in fixed or variable angle of inclination of solar panels, and describe the working of PV cell or panel in sunlight at different angles and directions.
Let us get started by knowing the best direction for the solar panel to face. The traditional advice is to position solar panels to be north facing or south facing, depending on the location in the southern or northern hemisphere respectively. This is because for those living in the northern hemisphere, the sun is always along the southern part of the sky as we complete our yearly orbit around it. Similarly, for those living in the southern hemisphere, the sun is always along the northern part of the sky as we complete our yearly orbit around it. Thus, the general best practice to date has always been to position solar panels facing south for places in northern hemisphere in order to capture the maximum amount of sunlight overall. Facing of the panel is towards south for locations in northern hemisphere, north for locations in southern hemisphere, and flat on equator. Generally, it's common knowledge in the solar industry that these south-facing panels should be tilted between a 30 and 40 degree angle. But this angle varies and is just about equal to the latitude of your home, how far north you are in relation to the equator. The reasoning behind this angle specificity is to ensure sunlight hits panels at a perpendicular angle which produces the most energy. Now, let us learn how to adjust the tilt angles in solar panel by providing proper angle of inclination. The sun's path changes throughout the year. The days are longer during the summer, which means we get the most sunlight because of the sun's summer path. Hence, the solar panels are able to produce the most energy during the summer, and during the winter, the sun's rays are less direct because its path has changed. This is important because it may affect the slope of the solar panels. If we can adjust the tilt of the solar panels, even manually, they will be significantly more efficient. If this applies in a site, consider increasing the tilt of the solar panels by 15 degrees during the winter. During summer months, decrease the original tilt by 15 degrees. This results in summer angle and winter angle, increasing the output power. Adjusting the inclination angle for changing or setting the seasonal angle is 22 days from the equinoxes, and the optimum value of tilt angle adjustment from the site latitude is in between 23 to 25 degrees for maximizing the annual energy collection. If your latitude is between 25 degrees and 50 degrees, then the best tilt angle for summer is the latitude times 0.93 minus 21 degrees. The best tilt angle for winter is the latitude times 0.875 plus 19.2 degrees. The seasons are winter from December to February, spring from March to May, summer from June to August, and autumn from September to November. Now let us do few tasks to test your understanding. You need solar PV cell, voltmeter, ammeter, 5 ohm resistor, magnetic compass, spirit level, and clinometer. Your first task is to study the solar power generated in different directions. Connect the given components as shown in circuit. The light sensor of the solar energy meter should face in the same direction as the solar PV cell in each case of testing. Place the solar PV cell in sunlight. Locate the north pole using the magnetic compass. Keep the solar PV cell facing the north pole. Record the readings on voltmeter and ammeter and solar irradiation intensity. Rotate the facing of the solar PV cell by 90 degrees from north clockwise. Record the readings on voltmeter and ammeter. Continue to rotate the facing of the solar PV cell by 90 degrees from earlier position clockwise. Record the readings on voltmeter and ammeter. Continue to rotate the facing of the solar PV cell by 90 degrees from earlier position clockwise. Record the readings on voltmeter and ammeter. Compare the results. Your next task is to study the solar power generated in different angle of inclinations. The light sensor of the solar energy meter should face in the same direction as the solar PV cell in each case of testing. At any point of experiment, mind that no shadow falls on the PV cell. Connect the given components as shown in circuit. Place the solar PV cell in sunlight at flat surface. If mounted on adjustable plane allowing different inclinations, more suitable, otherwise manually done. Check the spirit level shows flat surface parallel to the ground. Measure the angle using clinometer and confirm it shows 0 degrees. Keep the solar PV cell facing the south. Record the readings on voltmeter and ammeter and solar irradiation intensity. Lift the facing of the solar PV cell by steps of 5 degree from 0 degree. Record the readings on voltmeter and ammeter. Continue to change the angle of facing of the solar PV cell from earlier position towards south. Record the readings on voltmeter and ammeter. Repeat the above for some more angles. Compare the results. The angle that gives maximum solar power is the tilt angle for given location.
We have reached the end of this session on test photovoltaic cell in sunlight at various angles of inclination and direction. By now, you should be able to know the best direction for solar panels to face. Explain the specific information on installation in fixed or variable angle of inclination of solar panels and describe the working of PV cell or panel in sunlight at different angles and directions.